I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart. It's a quick update. Things are looking good right now, which is crazy to believe because, you know, a few days ago, things were looking disgusting. If it sounds interesting, drop the like, give me a subscribe. Not financial advice. See it as good research. You come to this channel to get some good analysis as well. I've got Bitcoin on the weekly time frame here. This is the Gaussian channel. Look at this. I said we can have a wick inside, but we don't want to see a full body closure inside. We did the same thing before in the past, and you know, right here, before we came and did a massive second run up. Remember, you know, if you've been watching the channel, if you're new, welcome and stick around, because I think we're going to have another massive run up, just like we did in the past. And take a look, we entered it with a wick, but the full sort of body candle was just above it, and it surged above, and we came up for another top. So as long as we stay outside of this, we are good, and right now it's looking good. Right? I'm truly impressed with this. This could be the start. Maybe this was the capitulative event. We've seen capitulation. Everyone sold at a loss. People were shook and pissed off and everything else. Now we could be on our way up to reach this white line, which I've had here for all this time, 122K. I think we can go there. We will see in the future. Take a look at this. This is my EMAs on the weekly time frame. Yeah, so loads of different random ones you wouldn't even think of, but we've got the most important ones here, which is the 20 moving average, or 21, and then we've got the 50 week. I said I want us to see the body candle come back above. We can have a wick underneath, because if we see candles underneath, it could be a big problem. Every time we close below the 50 week, that's it, it's done. Kiss the market goodbye. You don't see it close below the 50 week. Even here, when we had this massive drop here in the last cycle, you don't see it close below it unless the market is done. You've missed the top, that's it. These are the candles underneath this orange line. The orange line's to 50. All the candles are underneath. It's done. Let me show you again in the past. This is your massive rally in 2017, 2018. We're focusing on the orange line. Take a look at when you start to get candles underneath. There is your break of the 50 week right there. Market's done. You missed the top, it was here, right? So this is what we're looking for. If we see candles underneath the 50, it's done. It's just done. But we haven't got that. It looks like we did something like this. We saw a wick underneath. We've got a nice green candle right now at the time of recording this video. Hopefully it can continue to follow through. Hopefully we can break above this green line, which is the 21 moving average. People use the 20 sometimes. I use the 21. Very similar. Yeah. They just should move slightly different to see how things hold up. Like, you know, how candles hold above and you know how it looks. But if we can break above this, we will surely go and surge up to this line here, 122,000. It sounds crazy to think that in the future you're going to see 122K Bitcoin, doesn't it? But think back to this video. Remember this video, like and subscribe, because you're going to go, rah, this guy was, you know, showing me what was going to happen. At least that's what I believe is going to happen. Take a look at this. This is the 3-day, more precise, because I was saying to you, it gives us a quicker reading on the market. If we see at least 3 candles underneath, it's devastating. We don't want to see 3 candles underneath. I said to you we need to wait for the next candle to print. So we was here at the time. Actually, can I do a replay? How do I run back the replay? How do I do it? Can't remember it. Here we go, replay. So we were here like this. This is all we saw. That, right? And we was actually underneath. And I said to you, let's wait. Let's wait for the next candle. Yeah, no, fogging through. To see what happens, because to see what happens, because if we've got 2-3 candles underneath, it could be devastating. You skip forward today, how do you play it? This is where we are. Oh, look, we now have our green candle, and actually, quite shockingly, it's printed above the last green candle. Who would have thought? Because this was red. Now we're just massive fly off up. This is what I want to see. I feel like we've seen the capitulation. The darkest of the moments. I was going to swear. Tist moments. It's delayed. Yeah, the dark. We've seen it, guys. I feel like we've seen it. I mean, if it falls down more, fine. But I feel like we've seen the crappiest moment where people just didn't want to buy. If you haven't bought yet, I'm just saying. From what I see, things look flipping good, man. Well, but we'll see. But if you've got coins that you've been saying, I'm going to wait for it to fall lower, flipping think twice. Because you may have missed your buy opportunity, and it happens all the time. People go, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the market to look better. I'm going to wait for coins to look better. What? So you want to buy when it's done a 3x? You want to buy when it's already 5x'd? Instead, you could have paid $1,000, now you're paying $5,000. Think. I'm telling you now, this looks good. Yeah? That's all I'm saying, it looks good. Do what you want to do, I don't care what you want to do. Look at this. to flipping, this is the Celt in the channel. We were disgustingly down. I didn't think that this, because this is the 2 week chart, I didn't think it was going to do it. I actually thought this would have been the first candle closed underneath. I was thinking, damn, this is mad. We're going to be closed underneath. I said, because this one's too far down. How's it going to get to like 83K? Look at it. We're sitting there rising. We are above this orange line. This is a good look, guys. I think this was the capitulative dip. Seriously. If there's coins that you wanted to buy that you have not bought yet, you're seeing still of a buyers. That's all I'm saying. And I'm going to keep stressing. You're seeing still of a buyers. Because when Bitcoin comes up to here and it's sitting about 100K, what do you think the prices are going to do to all those altcoins that you're saying to yourself, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait a bit more. And I'm just going to wait a bit longer. Because then prices are going to surge just from there to there. That's going to cause an insane pump. From 83K to 100K. Watch what all the altcoins do. And you're going to kick yourself. Not financial advice. Do what you do. Yeah, your money. So, I know. Damn, it looks good. The fact that it's come above this orange line. I mean, there might still be more volatility with the tariffs and nonsense and stuff, but isn't it weird that he pulls the tariffs for all the rest of the world for 90 days? Because I've been saying, in 3 months, obviously it fell down. Now I have to extend myself. I've got to move with the market. 3 months, I kept saying, he's saying 90 days. That's 3 months. April, May, June, July. We'll see. But things are looking good. I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful, drop the like, give me a subscribe. I will keep updating you. Subscribe to the channel. You want to see this? I'm just keeping it real. I tell you when things are ugly. Where's my channel? I tell you when things are ugly. I tell you when things are ugly. It's just bad. This is bad. Now it's flipping good. This is good. I'm going to put the title, This is Good. With a flipping rocket. Bitcoin is rocket. Yeah, that's what I'm going to put. That's the thumbnail. This is good. Because I think it's good. And this video is weird because I was down in this video, stupid money on my little side portfolio. And as soon literally overnight, it just shot up. I was like, wow. So, yeah, it's not that anymore. And I'll bring another update on that. I know you guys like these kind of videos. They're powerful, the vertical videos. Check out this as well. I'm not even saying it. It keeps flipping censoring me. But yeah, it's a good flipping project. It's killing it. And yeah, become a Patreon. Links in the info section. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.